Welcome to Tristans Adventures.
So let's do this one. So this goes here. I'm gonna need. Alright, the first piece and these ones. This one's going here, and we're missing something. Oh, that's full. Forgot. So let's dump it out. Okay. What's one? How many was one? What's one? What's one, Mommy?
The one you were doing.
What's one?
Do this one. This one right here.
This one?
Let me see.
Oh, you said this one?
Yeah, sure.
There was one. Was one? Was one? You said I was
Over
one
here.
I picked.
Okay, over here.
No, you said was one I
Okay,
picked.
which one do you pick?
Maybe this one.
That one? Okay.
And what's one you like?
I like the fire truck.
Oh, right. That's a good choice.
Thank you.
And you said
Which one do you choose?
this one.
Okay,
And choice.
that's a good choice.
Thank you. And what's one?
Okay, I choose the police car.
That's a good choice.
Thank you.
Let's go see how
All done. Next puzzle.
Oh, no.
Oh, not yet? Oh, we're missing the helicopter. Tristan, what's next? Which one do you choose?
This one.
That's a good choice.
Yeah.
You're welcome.
Alright.
Oh, yay!
What's one? Which one?
Okay,
Found it!
all flipped. Okay, see? You found the motorcycle?
And this. And this. And this. And this one.
Okay.
This one.
Which one do you choose?
Oh, I forgot to take off the most.
Okay.
This one.
The truck?
No, I picked this one.
You picked the truck? Okay.
No, I picked.
Oh, what is that? Oh, a train.
Yeah.
Oh! I thought it was a truck.
Which one?
I pick the boat.
This one?
No, the boat.
This one?
The boat. The big boat. There you go. Yeah.
Oh. Alright.
Which one do you choose?
This one.
What is it?
Truck.
A truck.
A truck. And where's it go?
It goes where the truck is.
I'm driving. Here. 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 What's one you choose?
I choose a hot air balloon.
That's that's a good choice.
Why, thank you.
What's this goes?
Where the hot air balloon is.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, which one do you choose?
This one.
What is that? Fire truck? Fire truck.
And which one you choose?
I choose the school bus.
Oh, I picked it.
You did?
Yeah.
Cool.
You silly.
There's 3 left. There's an ambulance, a police car, and a motorcycle left. Which one do you choose?
This one.
What is it? Police car.
And which one you choose?
I choose the ambulance.
Oh, that's a good choice.
Thank you. Which one do you choose?
I don't know.
There's only one left. The motorcycle.
Oh, I forgot. Okay, the last puzzle ever. The last one.
The last one.
What about? Look, they turned two.
Cool. And now this is a number train. It has numbers. Okay, which one do you choose?
Motorcycle.
Motorcycle?
Like this and this one.
Okay. You choose number 1
Where was it?
with number 1.
With the chain?
I choose number 2.
This one?
No, number 2 with the violins. Which one did you choose?
The sisters.
My turn to choose.
Wait. I forgot to put the sister right.
Okay. Then I choose 9.
This one.
No. Which one's number 9?
This one. This one.
The other one. By your hand. That one. No, your other hand. The pink one. That one. Is it cookies? Is that what it is? Yeah. Is that cookies?
That's a lot of cookies.
Yes, it is.
That's too much.
That's too much?
Yeah.
Okay. Which one do you choose?
The jar. The jar.
The jars?
Yeah.
So it's 4 jars. Number 4.
This one?
No.
This one?
Mm-mm.
This one?
Yes. I choose number 5. 5 basketballs.
Oh.
Yeah.
That's where I play.
Yeah, you did play basketball, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, which one do you choose?
The soccer ball.
Football.
Yeah. The football.
That's number 3. 3 footballs.
That's correct. Is it right?
Yes. Okay, so I choose 7 watermelons.
This one. This one.
The one with the watermelons. Number 7.
This one.
I can't see. Nope. Nope. Yes.
All right.
Thank you.
We just got up.
Which one do you choose?
This one.
Number 10. 10 bowling pins.
Yeah. There's one more left.
Number 6.
Are you pick this one?
Yeah.
Oh. It's too hard to turn.
It's so hard to turn.
Yay!
Yay! All done.
Can I?
Yeah. Let's say bye for this one.
Bye. 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 Bye.
Alright kids, don't forget to like and subscribe so you can go on many more adventures with Tristan. And as always, bye bye till next time.